Did you know Siamese cats have a royal history? Let's dive in. These cats are known for their striking blue eyes and unique coats. Siamese cats are super vocal and love to chat with you. They are incredibly social and bond closely with their humans. Siamese cats are known for their playful and mischievous nature. They can even learn tricks and commands like dogs. Their unique color points come from a genetic mutation. Siamese cats are also known for their strong personalities. They thrive on companionship and don't like being alone. Adopting a Siamese means welcoming a loving companion into your life.